Hello everyone. Today we will study linear differential equations. This is my lecture number 5 on differential equations. In previous lectures we studied introduction of differential equation. Then in lecture number 2 we studied exact differential equation of first order. Then in lecture number 3 and 4 we studied equations which are reducible to exact differential equation. Today we are going to see linear differential equations. Before that, I would like to request to all of you to subscribe channel on Engineering Mathematics to get latest updates and videos on it. So first we'll see what is meaning of linear differential equation in Y. So linear differential equation in Y, which is in the standard form, dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Integrating factor is given by e power integration of p dx. And formula for solution is y into integrating factor, which is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus. Means when we are dealing with linear differential equation of first order in y, we have to remember this is a standard form. When it is in the standard form, integrating factor is given by this and formula for solution is this. A similar way, we can have linear differential equation in x, which can be obtained from this just by interchanging role of x and y. So it is dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y. Integrating factor in this case is e power integration of p dy. And formula for solution will be x into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dy plus c. So remember standard form, formula for integrating factor, and then final solution. The general solution is given by this particular formula. So with this introductory part, we will now solve problems based on linear differential equation. So problem number 1, solve differential equation dy by dx plus cot x into y is equal to sine of 2x. So just by observation, we can easily conclude that this equation is linear differential equation in y. So comparing it with dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. So obviously, p means cot x and q means sine of 2x. Formula for integrating factor is e power integration of p dx. So it is e power integration of cot x dx, and integration of cot x means log of sin x. So exponential function and logarithmic functions are inverse of each other. So value of this term will be sin x. So we have integrating factor is sin of x. Then formula for solution, y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c. Substitute value of integrating factor. So y into sin x is equal to q means sine of 2x, yes, into sin x dx. And we know sine of 2x is 2 times sin x into cos x. This sin x dx as it is. So to integrate this, we write sin x into sin x means sin square x. So 2 can be taken outside, sin square x into cos x dx. Now to integrate this term, we will use formula integration of fx power n into f dash x dx, which is fx power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus constant of integration. Here in derivative of sin x is cos x. So if you substitute sin x as t, you will get cos x dx will be dt. And this integration becomes t square dt, and integration of t square is t cube by 3. So we get y into sin x is equal to 2, and integration of this is sin cube x divided by 3. So y sin x, which is equal to 2 sin cube x divided by 3 plus, if you want you can divide it by sin x. So that y is equal to 2 sin square x divided by 3 plus c divided by sin x, and 1 by sin x means cosine x. So final answer means general solution is given by this particular. So with this now we can move to next problem, which is problem number 2. Solve differential equation dy by dx plus 4x divided by 1 plus x square y, which is equal to 1 by x square plus 1 cube. Obviously, just by observation, we can see that this is linear equation in y. So comparing this equation with dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Value of p is 4x divided by 1 plus x square, and value of q is this. So it is 1 by x square plus 1 cube. So integrating factor is e power integration of p dx, means e power 4x I will write 2 into 2x. So it is 2 into 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Since we have to integrate this, and we know standard formula given by integration of 1 by fx into f dash x dx is equal to log of fx plus c. So here derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. So fx we have is 1 plus x square. So integration of this term is e power 2 as it is, and integration of this term is log of 1 plus x square. And we know a log b is log of b power a. So this goes to power. So it is e power log of 1 plus x square whole square. And we know logarithmic and exponential functions are inverse of each other. So we get integrating factor as log of 1 plus x square whole square. Formula for solution y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus substitute value of integrating factor. So y into x square plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 1 by x square plus 1 cube means q, and integrating factor is x square plus 1 whole square dx. So if you simplify, 1 x square plus 1 whole square get cancelled. This term as it is, y into x square plus 1 whole square as it is, and this will be 1 by 1 plus x square dx. And we know integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx will be tan inverse of x. So y into x square plus 1 whole square is equal to tan inverse of x plus c as the general solution of given differential equation. So with this now we go to next problem. Solve differential equation y log y dx plus x minus log y dy is equal to 0. So we need to simplify this equation. So y log y dx plus x minus log y dy is a given differential equation. So y log y dx is equal to minus x minus log y dy. So dx by dy is, yes, minus x log y divided by this term, that is y log y. And if you shift this term to other side, x divided by y log y to other side. So dx by dy, this is minus x log y, x divided by y log y, yes, is equal to minus x divided by y log y plus 1 by y plus log y get cancelled. So this divided by this minus this divided by this. So this is having negative sign, that's why we have x with minus sign y log y, x divided by y log. and minus of minus is plus. This log y get cancelled, we get 1 by y. Shift this term to other side. So dx by dy plus 1 by y log y into x, which is equal to 1 by y. And obviously, this is a linear differential equation in x. So comparing this equation with dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y. So what is value of p? P means 1 by y log y and q is 1 by y. So integrating factor is e power integration of p dy, which is 1 by log y into 1 by y dy. Let's split this because we need to apply standard formula, which is given by integration of 1 by fy into f dash of y dy, which is equal to log of fy plus. So derivative of log y is 1 by y. And this integration becomes, after using substitution log y as t, becomes dt by t with this substitution. So integration of dt by t is log. So integrating factor is e power integration of this term by using this formula is log of y. So it is e power log of y. So that is log y. So formula for solution, x into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dy plus, or x into log y, which is equal to log y into q means 1 by y dy plus. So to integrate this term, again we'll find integrate this term, put log y as t, so that 1 by dy will be dt. So this integration become t dt, and integration of t will be t square divided by t. So that's why we get x log y, which is equal to integration of which is log y whole square divided by plus by substituting log y as t. So this is your final answer. So general solution of given problem is x log y, which is equal to log y whole square divided by 2 plus. Okay. With this now, we go to next problem. Solve differential equation cos x dy by dx plus y is equal to sin x. So simplify this first. So given equation can be written dy by dx divided by cos x into dy by dx plus y by cos x, and 1 by cos means sec. So it is dy by dx plus sec of x into y, which is equal to sin by cos means tan x. Obviously, this is linear in y. So dy by dx, compare it with dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to p of x. So p means sec x, q means tan x. Integrating factor is e power integration of p dx. So it is e power integration of sec x dx. And we know integration of sec x is log of sec x plus tan x. And logarithmic and exponential functions are inverse of each other. So integrating factor will be sec x plus tan x. Formula for solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus substitute value of integrating factor, which is y into sec x plus tan x, which is equal to q means tan x into sec x plus tan x dx plus. So sec into tan, this is sec x into tan x dx plus tan square x dx plus, obviously c is missing. So it is sec x tan x dx, integration of that, and tan square x means sec square x minus 1. So it is integration of sec square x minus 1. Yes. So Integration of sec x tan x is sec x. Integration of sec square x dx is tan x. And integration of dx is x. So we have right hand side is sec x plus tan x minus x plus. So final answer is y into sec x plus tan x, which is equal to sec x plus tan x minus x plus, which is general solution of given problem. So with this, you must do more practice of differential equations of first order, which are either linear in x or linear in y. And for that, let us try few examples. Assignment problems. Solve differential equations. X into cos x dy by dx plus cos x minus x sin x into y is equal to 1. You can verify integrating factor as x cos x and solution as y into x cos x, which is equal to x plus. Then problem number 2, 1 plus y square plus x minus e power tan inverse of y dy by dx is 0. For this problem, integrating factor is e power tan inverse y and solution is given by x into e power tan inverse y, which is equal to tan inverse y plus. Then third problem is 1 minus x square dy by dx, which is equal to 1 plus xy. So integrating factor is square root of 1 minus x square. Solution is given by y into square root of 1 minus x square, which is equal to sin inverse x plus. Then last problem, dy by dx plus y divided by 1 minus x is equal to x square minus x. In this case, integrating factor will be 1 by 1 minus x and solution is given by 2y is equal to 1 minus x into c minus x. Solution may be written in different forms or you can adjust it in this form. Okay. So, do more practice of linear differential equations, and as everybody knows, practice makes man perfect. So, to become more perfect, you have to do a lot of practice. Okay. So, I wish you all the best, happy learning, and thanking you for listening this particular video.